welcome back to Ayaansh Gupta. Okay guys, today, if you know karate, I'll be teaching you this today. So these weapons are called kamas. If you do not do karate, then don't use these. Just one more thing before you start. Please like and subscribe. And then the first one to subscribe, or maybe watch this. Actually, first one to comment down below will get to choose what will the next video be. Please comment down below. Okay, so guys, I am sending this. Never mind. Okay, let's get started. Go Pam. Okay, so first, all we're going to do is we're going to learn X gravitation. Gravitation. Yeah, that's what you call it. So after that, so it looks like this. And then there are steps you can master. So obviously, if you want to see more, put it a little bit down. So we're going to learn X gravitation. If I drop it, was that really funny? We're going to learn that. So first step, if you have commas, you want to learn how to catch it. So you always do this. Do this at least for 15 or 30 seconds later. Or 30 seconds later. And then after that, we will show you the next step. Okay, so let's skip the time. Pause the video if you are going to wait some more. So you're able to master this or get it correctly, so you'll be able. After that, if you have grip, or if you don't have grip, then look at the middle. The middle is where you want to catch it. If you have grip, you want to catch it in the grip. Okay? So what you're supposed to do is this. This. So you're supposed to do this, as I said before, 15 to 30 seconds. Or add more time because this is more difficult. So let's skip time. So after pause the video, and after that you can able. So the next thing is that this is not a mandatory step. This is where you want to do the tricks. Okay, and it's cool stuff. So what you want to do is this. So first of all, if you know what our toss is, hold here. If you have a comma, toss, catch it. Do it 10 times here. 1, 2, no, actually 5 times. 3, 4, 5. And then, if you want to do it, if you're a lefty, do it with, if you're lefty, you can do this. Do it 5 times. After that, if extra challenge. So that when you were supposed to do the left hand, that's optional in case you are a lefty. And this is a challenge. Double toss. If you are up to the challenge, then 5 times. I haven't mastered this move yet, So I am a red belt. So it will obviously be a bit hard. But now let's get talking. So what I'm talking about, so you guys might be thinking, oops, why are we talking? Why are we doing tosses? How is that even gonna help? Well, this is optional. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. So the thing is, after you do this, and you want to learn cool tricks, you toss this comma, the comma that's in front. And after that, you toss and catch. Okay, I'll show you. So let's review what we all did. 1. So the first step is this. After you got comfortable with that, second step is this. And third step is this. That's third step. And back to the toss thing. So third step. So all you want to do is that you can practice for 15 or 30 seconds. Do it automatically. So once you feel comfortable, but not master, because master you have to do at least 20 times. In my rule, because I don't know how much you have to master it. So you do this 5 times. 50 or 30 seconds. And after that, we can move on to the next step. This is I call the last step of how in my karate school. The next steps are stuff that you can make up. But right now, we're going to focus on this. So the last step is the coolest one. And as you know, once you are black belt in our school, what they're talking about is a black belt. So when you have 4 phases when you become a black belt. And after that you have black, white, and all of those stuff. Well, that might not be common, but yeah. So what the thing is that if you are in karate and you have commas, and if you learn the trick, this might amaze you. This is called a backhand. This, if you are a lower belt than black belt, example like a blue belt or a purple belt, you might be amazed. If you learn this trick quickly, you might be good at commas, and that's amazing, right? So after that, so you do this, and then toss, catch it behind. Keep doing that over and over. Oops, I accidentally dropped it. It doesn't matter if you drop it. If you drop it, you drop it. Just pick up and try it again. Do this for 15 and 13 seconds. And then after that, done. You'll be done. So, pause the video after that. Okay, guys, you came to the end of this video. But right now, if I get 10 views, because I'm just starting and I haven't got any views because I'm starting this video. But if I get 10 views, I'll put a video of me doing crazy tricks like a leg toss or maybe a 360 leg toss. I missed that, I'm sorry. I'll show that again. So I missed again, sorry. And yeah, and a lot more, like illusion. But I will only get those. And some comments. That those are not mandatory, but I would love to see some comments. Please like and subscribe to this video. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Well, see you later.